So today you guys are getting a treat. I will be unboxing 2 unboxings. So as you can see from the look of things, I am a big Concord fan, the Jordan 11 fan. So let's see what's in the boxes and we'll go from there. Start with this one. Number 1. Okay. Right away. Alright. So this will be the first box. This is the Jordan Max Aura. Now I was waiting because these shoes barely been out a year for the right time to do a good review on these shoes, because I seen some on YouTube but nobody really explained to people about the Jordan Max Aura. So as you can see in the background, these shoes come directly as a hybrid from the Jordan 11 and the Jordan 10. But let's get into this pair. So this pair here is size 10.5. It's the light bone, light gray fog pair. So if you can look at that, these are retail for $120. Now I was looking around, they still are over $100. As you can see on the box, you have the Jordan logos, and on the bottom you have the official stamp of approval by Nike. So let's open them up, see what they look like. So you have the Jordan paper. Bam! Look at those Jordans. Set them up here so you can see them. Better look at them. There you go. So yeah, these are dope. And this pair, you probably won't see this color too much because it's a fog color. It's actually a fog color. Now, back to this shoe in particular, as you can see from the design, it takes everything from the, it's a hybrid pretty much from the Jordan 11 and the Jordan 10. So right here, I have a pair of Concords that I wore to death. As you can see, the bottoms are yellow, but you can see how much alike these shoes are in every sense, especially the bottom. Like the bottom completely resembles the 11s. Now up here, you could see a lot of resemblance from the 10. Before I get into a lot more detail, let me open the other box. So push these to the side right here for a second. Make sure you still can see them. All right, so let's check out this box. See what's in here. Okay. This tape. There we go. So, as you can see, same box. This way. Same Jordan box, same size. Only difference is the color. Now these are the white, dark, Concord black edition. So let's check these joints out. Nothing's different about the box, still the same, but the look. This is what people really was going crazy over, was this colorway. These completely resemble the Concord 11s. Absolutely. These are my beat up ass Concords, but yeah, you can see the resemblance. So what really makes these shoes stand out a whole lot is that I'm a big Concord fan, like really big. So let's talk a little bit about the shoe. It actually has tumbled leather. So you're getting that tumbled leather right up here. There's a Jordan logo as well as the infamous air unit. Now this is what makes this shoe stand out. It's way more comfy, believe it or not, than the original Concords because of that air unit. And as well as that, you have the Jordan 10 lacing system. That comes from the Jordan 10. So if they were going to make a hybrid, in my opinion, of any shoe, the Jordan 11 was the perfect shoe to do it off of. And I always loved the way that the Air Jordan 10 had the textile underlays. So as you can see here, the elastic bands across the midfoot from the Air Jordan 10 have been reused in the neoprene heel portion from the Air Jordan 11. So that's a lot of the same system that they used to make the Jordan Max Aura. Cushioning here is supplied by a Max Air unit at the heel. And there seems to be nothing in the forefoot. So this is a dope shoe, especially this colorway. I'm loving both colorways, but this colorway, it resembles the original Concord so much. I mean, they're side by side. I'm saying it really resembles it, and I love this colorway as well. But like I said, I waited to see would somebody do a real review on these to let people know exactly what these shoes come from. They're a hybrid between the 10 and the 11. Like I said, you mainly got the upper part from the 10, that lacing system, and most of the bottom is taken from the 11. So what better shoe? Inside, just in case you guys wonder, it's Jordan logo on this side, Jordan in letters in the front. And this feels real good, man. I mean, these are two different designs. So this has a suede, the light bone, that's suede. No leather, that's suede. This has synthetic leather on the Concord. So they really, damn, that's real smooth. So they really did a different design on them. They are designed different. They're not the same at all. So if you get a pair that have so many different styles and colors, they are designed completely different, people. So go out there and get you a pair. They're still going for over $100. I don't think they're gonna drop them, but you know what's coming next. I'm about to do it on feet of both of these, so just stay tuned. I'm giving these Jordan Max Auras, I'm giving them a 4 out of 5. The only reason I'm not giving them a 5 because they had to put two shoes together to make it, which is cheating. But it's two of my favorite Jordans. I mean, when you can't go wrong with the Concords. Like, I'm such a Concord head. Show you something. Right here, these are the Gammas. So I fucks with them heavy. So stay tuned for the on feet. Like this video. Hit that notification button too, because I do shoe reviews and everything else on Kendrick's News and Entertainment. Subscribe.